Installing a District Newton High-Speed Lite-Lift is pretty simple. First of all, you're going to receive this box, and inside you're going to find all the hardware that is necessary to install the shade. You will have the 2 installation brackets, perfectly identical, the screws and anchors, 4 screws and 4 anchors, the 2 installation bracket end caps, usually only required for outside mount installation, the installation bracket screw caps, you'll always need them, the aesthetic disc, the device for magnetic wands, only applicable for inside mount, the X key only if you have a leveling connector, and the spacers, which are optional, serve as shimmers for the brackets, like this. If you're outside mount, you'll need to install the end caps on the bracket before installing the bracket itself. There are 4 types of installation. This one is ceiling inside mount. You can find the other ones in the installation guide, which is in the description below. Once the bracket's installed, you can clip the screw caps. Push the flexible end of each one into its respective holder. You're now ready to install the shade. You first start with the idle end and you push against it to be able to install and clip the mechanism module. Insert the aesthetic disc and remove the packaging paper. After removing the sticker from the device, place the one on the magnet, adjust it to where you want the wands to fall, and press it against the surface. Screw it in and close the cover. You can now operate the shade by pulling on the wand or by pulling on the bottom bar. If you have an open roll multi-mechanism, it's pretty much the same thing, except that you'll have a center bracket and each idle end will plug into the same bracket. You'll have one that will plug vertically and one horizontally. If you have a Tandem, it's a little bit different. You still have a center bracket, but it's made in 3 parts. This central bearing with 2 holes, the bracket, and a clip. You'll insert the central bearing inside the male part. Make sure you see the 2 holes. Then, when installing the shade, insert the central bearing into the bracket. You will turn to lock it in place, and you'll insert the clip. Now, it cannot move. You'll insert the second shade, and if your bands are not aligned, it's the time to align them with this key. So you take it, you plug it in the middle, and you just turn it. It's an easy fix. And that's it. You're all done. You're now ready to enjoy your District Newton High-Speed Lite-Lift open roll.